Well guys, in today's video we have a tablet from the N-one brand that can be described as an example of excellent quality and strength despite its thin body of only 7.5mm. This tablet boasts a generous 11-inch in-cell display with a 2K high resolution, thin frames, equipped with a powerful Helio G99 processor, and goes all out with 16GB of RAM. This tablet is capable of a lot of things and it's very attractive with its low price. Be sure to check out this N-one NPad X1 Android 13 tablet review and learn more. So let's look at the contents of this package. Let's put our NPad X1 tablet aside. Moving on, we find some essential items such as the NPad X1 user manual, instructions, and information that is crucial for understanding this tablet features, functions, and initial setup process. Here we have a SIM pin for inserting or removing the SIM card from the tablet, USB Type-C charging cable, and finally 80-watt fast charger for charging this tablet battery. Now that we've gone through the accessories, let's shift our focus to the tablet itself. N-one stands out as a premium manufacturer of budget-friendly tablets and laptops, and this assurance becomes evident at the moment you lay hands on one of their tablets. There are no creaks, cracks, or twists here. The tablet feels solid as a rock, although it is only 7.5mm thick and weighs 525 grams. The tablet boasts a sleek and premium design, characterized by a slim and compact build. Crafted entirely from metal, it exudes an elegant grey hue, leading in a sophisticated and high-end appearance. Taking a closer look at the tablet size, we find the power button and the volume buttons. On this side we find the microSD card or SIM card tray. The tablet supports the two 4G nano SIM cards or one nano SIM plus TF card with expandable storage of up to maximum of 1TB. Here we also find USB charging port, and next to there are two speaker holes. We can also find the two speaker holes on the opposite side, resulting in a total of 4 stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience and give enhanced stereo surround sound. From the front we observe the certainly positioned 8MP front camera with the face recognition option, accompanied by a pre-installed screen protector. The NPad X1 11-inch display offers an extensive and luminous viewing experience, featuring nearly bezel-less edges and 2K resolution 2000 by 1200 with a slightly rounded full-screen display. The slim symmetrical bezel, coupled with the fluid refresh rate and the display's thin bezel on the sides, further enhance the immersive viewing experience. The NPad X1 is an excellent choice for viewing videos, analyzing business charts, or reading scripts, thanks to its large, high-resolution display that showcases rich and vivid colors. It's especially great for streaming platforms like YouTube, Netflix, HBO, or Disney+. Given its wide-line N-one DRM support, it ensures the NPad X1 displays elevates any task, be it browsing the web, working on documents, or indulging in the entertainment, making every moment delightful. The tablet operates on the latest Android 13 operating system, excelling in multitasking and seamless app switching, offering a clean Android experience devoid of unnecessary bloatware or unexpected ads. The pre-installed Google Play Store ensures effortless synchronization when transitioning from another device. The NPad X1 facilitates extensive customization, allowing users to modify dark themes, wallpapers, interface color, and all other features supported by the new Android version. The user experience on this tablet is thoughtfully designed and exceptional user-friendly. The NPad X1 delivers top-notch performance, handling tasks smoothly without any noticeable lag. Its multitasking ability allows users to switch between activities easily. Despite its affordable price, the tablet stands out with impressive specs and features, often outperforming more expensive competitors. Using the NPad X1 ensures a seamless and hassle-free experience. Now let's move on the performance. The NPad X1 tablet is powered by a powerful Helio G99 octa-core processor built in 6nm process with ARM Mali G57 GPU, providing not only a smooth multitasking experience but also impressive energy efficiency. Delivers stable performance thanks to the Helio G99 processor. Its 2K resolution and large surface make it the right choice for gaming enthusiasts and users of demanding applications. This powerful chipset, offering advanced, energy efficient and currently standing as the fastest 4G chipset on the market. When it comes to memory, the NPad X1 sets the new standard with a generous 8GB base RAM that can be upgraded with additional virtual RAM, which brings us to a total of even 60GB of RAM, which will additionally ensure the ultra smooth multitasking and lightweight fast performance. In terms of storage, the tablet offers a sufficient 128GB capacity of fast UFS 2.2 storage, which can be further expanded of up to 1TB for those who require extra space. For passionate gamers, this tablet is something special as it excels in gaming. It effortlessly handles the most demanding games available on the Google Play Store, providing top-notch performance even in the highest settings. The powerful hardware, combined with the unique 7-dimensional graphene-filled cooling system, effectively manage temperatures to prevent overheating during extended gaming seasons. As for the battery, the NPad X1 dominates with a satisfactory 8600 mAh battery with fast charging of 18 watts, promising of up to 1900 hours of standby, 8 hours of gaming and 10 hours of streaming. It's battery designed to accompany your activity in the task of entertainment through the day and even longer. Uninterrupted entertainment enjoyment guaranteed for hours. When it comes to cameras, tablet brings relatively standard camera settings like the competition, which is not bad, with a 20MP main Sony camera, 2MP macro camera and 8MP front camera. The shooting possibilities are endless. 20MP main camera lens can capture videos of up to 2K video resolution and 30fps with ACE. To get a feel for the camera performance, it's the best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using the NPad X1, so let's take a look. In terms of design, the tablet boasts a sleek and thin metal body, weight of a featherlight 525 grams and measuring only 7.5 mm in thickness. These dimensions contribute to a comfortable and ergonomic feel when held, making it an ideal companion for extended periods of use. The eye-pleasing 11-inch IPS LCD rounded display with the frames on the tablet is a standout feature, providing 2K resolution that results in a crisp and vibrant display, enhance the visual experience, ensuring a more vivid and realistic interaction with the device with the wireline N-one support. When it comes to performance, the tablet does not disappoint. It comes equipped with the impressive 8GB of RAM, expandable up to 16GB for enhanced multitasking capabilities. Additionally, the built-in 128GB of storage can be further expanded up to whopping 1TB, catering the diverse storage needs of users. Taking into account their notable features, the N-one NPad X1 established itself as a versatile and high-performance tablet, well suited for a range of activities such as a business, study or work through the all day. Its capabilities extend to gaming, providing enjoyable experience with the latest titles. The combination of high-quality display and quad speakers further enhance its appeal, making it equally perfect choice for immersive video watching experiences. If the NPad X1 has caught your attention, visit the official sales link provided below this video. Hurry up, take advantage of the special promotion price available for limited time only. Seize the opportunity to own the N-one NPad X1, a versatile and high performance tablet. That wraps up this review. Keep eye on for our upcoming video reviews, and in meantime, stay safe and farewell.